Okay, it is September 23rd, 2020. This is a new Reproduction Aurunmilla board. And the only thing I've soldered onto it is this clock and one IC and a ground wire for my scope, just to see if the clock would work, because the clock was the one thing that I was kind of nervous about whether it would work or not. But it seems to work fine, so now I'm going to spend hours, maybe, soldering the rest of this thing together. No, I was definitely getting 15.6 on the other board. Okay, so there may be a problem here. I will have to troubleshoot and get back to you. Actually, I think I know what the problem is. I think the problem is I need to install the horizontal prom, because that affects things. So I'm gonna do some more soldering before I do more testing on the clock. Okay, I soldered on a bunch more components, and now I'm getting the 15.6 kilohertz clock that I was expecting when I touch a certain pin on the board, so things are progressing nicely. Soldering. I'm missing these chips, but I think I have some I can borrow. But I've tested the timing and it seems to be working correctly, so I guess now it's time to plug it into my interstellar and see what happens. Kind of nervous. there's my reproduction esh board. Look, I even have instructions on there. It says, if you can read it, if this will focus. It says this side up so you don't accidentally plug it in. I mean, you can turn it over, but I want to make sure people don't plug it in backwards. Okay, here we go. I'm pretty sure this isn't going to work because there's so many things that could go wrong, but let's just see what happens. No way. Oh, that's a good sign. Where's my video? Hold on, I'm gonna turn off this alarm. Oh, there's the problem. The problem is I had the interstellar laserdisc image loaded in here instead of eshes. So this is a very good sign. I'm kind of confused why I'm not hearing any audio, but that's okay. Man, this, holy cow. It actually works. I can't believe this. Okay, I'm gonna switch the disk image over to eshes and try again. I'm like super excited. I can't believe this is working. Alright. Image is switched. Oh, yes! Holy cow. I can't believe it. Wish my camera would be able to see the screen. Holy cow, it's working! Oh, this is awesome. Oh, man. Alright. Let's see if I can insert a coin. Push select. I got an interstellar control panel. Which one is select? I don't know. Which one is select? Oh, it's the start button. Sure. Middle. Sounds good. Holy cow.
Which one is it?
Oh, how do I move? How do I move? Okay. Trying to play with interstellar controls here. I can't believe this is working.
Which one is it?
I can't believe this is working. Oh man, exciting stage. Oh, I'm definitely excited. I don't remember what to do. Up? Uh-oh. No, don't make me start over from the beginning. What kind of game is this? Top game. Maybe I press a button. Nope. Okay, so I'm noticing some problems with sync when it goes to the when there's no Laserdisc video. I don't know if that's Maybe I should try to get the original board working just to make sure that I haven't introduced a problem on my replacement. Because it's probably this monitor, but yeah, see, the sync is all messed up. It's probably this monitor, but there we go.
That must be it.
Remember, this one's fire. Oh yeah.
Cindy! Help! Don't save me! Cindy, hold on, I'm coming!
Man, this game is too awesome to be ignored. Whoa!
Where am I? Oh.
Anyway, well, hope you enjoyed. I'm like super excited. This is great. Thanks for watching.